Gone or went? Which one is it? And when do we use one and not the other? We'll be finding that out right after this. Gone or went. The word go is an irregular verb with a different past tense to its past participle. Infinitive is go, past tense went, past participle gone, present participle going. But it's went and gone that we'll be looking at in this lesson. Gone. We need a helping verb or helping verbs with gone. Verbs like these: am, are, is, was, were, have, has, had, will be, must be, could be. They have gone out. It must be gone. He has gone away. The apples are gone. It is gone. You notice the helping verbs there? Written in block capitals. What about a question? Where has she gone? She's gone out, and that is a contraction of she has. They've gone somewhere quieter, which is they have gone somewhere quieter. The money is gone. The teachers were gone. In the past perfect, it had gone. With modal verbs, I could have gone there. I should have gone to university. I would have gone to that meeting. He must have gone out. Kim might have gone. They will be gone when you arrive. It could be gone. It must be gone by now. Went. This is the past tense for go and is used in the simple past tense. You do not need another verb to write a sentence with went. We went out. I went there yesterday. We went through all the files. We went on a big hunt for gloves. She went to the town for clothes. Okay, so wrong. They gone out. They have went out. I could have went to that meeting. Correct. They went out. They have gone out. I could have gone to that meeting. It's quite easy to mix up went with gone in sentences like that. Present perfect. What is it? It's have or has plus past participle, which is gone in this case. They have gone to town. We could have gone to town. Past perfect, that is had plus past participle. The family had gone when I arrived. For the simple past, we mainly use went, okay? Not always, but mainly. Went. They went to town in the morning. She went out. Ray went to the store yesterday. Kim went to church this morning. After I went to the beach, I took a shower. The negative for gone or went. Okay, with went we use never. She never went out. I never went there. He never went to the beach that day. They never went to the shop. Now with With gone, we have a bit of variety. We can use never and not. I have not gone out yet. She has not gone to the store. She has never gone to the store. We should not have gone. We should never have gone. They were not gone. They were there. It was not gone long. It was never gone long. You find out with gone, it's more versatile. You can use contractions with not, but not with never, okay? In the present perfect, I haven't gone out yet. She hasn't gone to the store. We shouldn't have gone. In the simple past, they weren't gone. They were there. It wasn't gone long. Okay? Simple past, an event that is over, by the way. Okay? So the simple present, it is gone, it is not gone, it isn't gone, it is never gone. Okay, let's have a look at this here. Went and gone with gerunds, okay? That's the words that end in ing. She went shopping. She has gone shopping. They went swimming. They have gone swimming. The staff went sunbathing. The staff had gone sunbathing. Kim went skiing. Kim had gone skiing. So the choice is yours. Which tense do you want to use? For example, simple past or present perfect. She went out. She has gone out. He went to the cafe. He has gone to the cafe. They went home. They have gone home. The choice is yours. Which tense fits the situation the best? You can see there's more than one way to write something or to say something. Just remember that gone requires at least another verb, but went does not. Right, full lessons on these subjects, the present perfect, the past perfect, irregular verbs, modal verbs, are on the Stunning Lad 1 Learning English playlist, and the link is in the description box below. We cover all these tricky subjects, and they're not tricky anymore. So, subscribe to Stunning Lad 1 today.